Hey y'all, Rachel here, and today I'm modeling this super cute Eco Wish knit shirt. It has the V-neck detail on the front, and my favorite part is these puffed sleeves. As you can see, they have like a little volume to them, but not too much. They're super cute. It's a little bit fitted depending on what size you get. I'm about 125 pounds, a size small, and 5'4" is my height, and I'll show you the length of it not tucked in. It's about this long, so it is a little bit longer in length, which I like, so you can wear it tucked in or not tucked in. With these shorts, I think it looks super cute tucked in, but you can also pair it with like jean shorts or just your regular every single day jeans. It makes a casual outfit a little bit more dressy, and it makes like a t-shirt, for example, not look like just a t-shirt. It's really cute. So I like the sleeve right here, and then the V-neck. It just makes me feel really pretty. It comes in a variety of colors. I got the red because I always like a little bit of a pop, so I think this is really cute, great for all year round, and I'm definitely loving my outfit. I hope you like the look. Bye y'all.